Hey, so you have a goal of making some money online, but there's so many options out there. It's really hard to filter through all the different ways that you might go about this. And maybe you've had lots of ideas in the past, like maybe you've wanted to start a podcast, or maybe you thought maybe I should start a YouTube channel, or maybe I should do some affiliate marketing and do some reviews of different products and try to go that route. And with so many, possibilities out there, it's hard to filter through what are the best ways to make money online. I want to share just 2 ways that I'm making money online. Maybe these aren't the best ways to do it online, but this is what I'm doing. And I definitely see potential, more potential than I'm even utilizing right now. But those 2 methods are Google AdSense through monetization on YouTube and affiliate marketing through Amazon. I want to talk about the pros and cons of each of these things, why you might want to go one route or the other, but also ultimately why I'm choosing to do both of these things. So first, Google AdSense. If you're watching this video, you probably know that in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year to get monetized. Now, YouTube did release like a halfway point there, which allows you to get things like super chats and super stickers and a couple other things with that level. That's not worth it. You could definitely try at that point once you have 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. Encourage your audience to give you super chats, super stickers. But from my experience, it doesn't really work out that way. When you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, that's really the point at which you get monetized on YouTube. That's when you can start having ads on your videos. And even if your monetization strategy does include things like channel memberships, super chats, super stickers, it's really once you hit 1,000 subscribers or more that you're even able to see significant income from these things. So some pros of Google AdSense. Number 1, it just takes views. If you make videos that people want to watch, when people watch those videos, they're often shown ads. And when they watch those ads, you get paid. It's a really simple strategy and it works. For a lot of people, just having Google AdSense works, especially if you love just the video editing process. If you love telling stories, if you have an attractive personality, this can be definitely a great moneymaker for you. Now me, I'm kind of a boring person, just an average guy. And yet I do just like making videos. I don't really want to worry about all the business strategies, the very best ways to make money. Partly I started YouTube just because it's a fun hobby. So if that's you, YouTube monetization, Google AdSense might be a great strategy for you. Now, the downside of Google AdSense is that it's not very reliable sometimes. Your views might be really high one month and extremely low the next. It would be great to imagine that your channel just keeps on growing month over month and day over day, but it just doesn't work out that way. Even some of the top YouTubers have slumps in months. So it'd be really hard to imagine going full-time relying just on Google AdSense. Now, of course, things like channel memberships, super stickers, these kind of things can bridge the gap there. But generally, the people who really make it their full-time job to be YouTubers, they have another source of income, whether that's merchandise, affiliate marketing, product they sell, coaching, or whatever it is. And that's where, for me, Amazon affiliates really comes into play. Now, when I say Amazon affiliates, really I'm talking about 2 different programs that Amazon has. They have Amazon Associates, which is really their affiliate program. And they also have what's called Amazon Influencers, which allows you to make videos and put those directly on Amazon's website. Now, I also encourage you to put those same videos also on YouTube, because once you've made the video once, you might as well post it on YouTube. That drives just a little bit more affiliate sales through YouTube from Amazon. So the pros about Amazon. Number 1, if you can get in that influencer program and you can post videos directly to Amazon, this is by far probably the easiest way to make money online right now. Because the thing is, people who go to Amazon, they're already pretty much ready to make a purchase. Maybe they're still deciding which item they want to buy specifically, but they're already in the mindset of, I'm going to buy this thing. So your video simply pushes them over the edge. When you describe the pros and cons of a product, you're letting people know who already want to buy that product why they should buy it. Now, to qualify for that program, you have to have some kind of following already, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. It is called Amazon Influencers for a reason. So the biggest con about Amazon is simply applying for the program. Some people get in, some people don't. But if you're in, like I said, it's really the best way to make money online right now. If you like video editing, if you don't mind being on camera, if you don't mind sharing your honest opinions about the products that you already use. One other con about the Amazon Influencer program, we have been seeing a slight reduction in commissions lately. I think Amazon's been playing with where they show our videos, how often they show our videos. So even though I think it's still a great program and probably the best way to make money online right now, it's definitely decreased a little bit from years past. All that being said, I still really like both of these programs, Google AdSense, Amazon affiliates. One more bonus one right now. I think TikTok shops are really interesting right now. Seeing if I can qualify for it, even if I don't have 5,000 followers, which you're supposed to have on TikTok. And hopefully I'll let you know more about that when I know more about it myself. Until then, I just want you to know if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.